Hey guys, welcome back. Jordan here with the Nutty Gnome Homestead. Guys, it is the beginning of July and we are out here in our bee yard getting ready to transfer a nuke into a regular hive body box. Guys, it's hot out here. I know these bees are hot. You can see them bearding on the hives over here. We're going to try to get this done pretty quick. I may not do a whole lot of talking, but I am going to try to explain the process. What we do like to do is get all of our equipment ready before we even open up the nuke. We do not want to be hunting around for equipment when we have the bees already a little agitated. So I'm going to turn you guys around here and I'm going to show you what we're dealing with. So as you guys can see, we have our standard 10 frame Langstroth hive body here with a screen bottom board and a cover. We got 5 frames of drawn comb, or 3 frames of drawn comb and 3 frames of wax comb in here right now. Wax foundation rather. I'm going to take one of these out because it is a 5 frame nuke. We want to give these guys, and these are wet frames, so we want to give these guys plenty of resources. They'll clean these up and get these other frames drawn out pretty quick. I might actually checkerboard them a little bit. There we go. Do something like that. So we got drawn comb, wax foundation, drawn comb. This is where the nuke is going to sit. Wax foundation, drawn comb. Alright guys, I got you in here close. I'm getting ready to move the nuke over and we'll get them put in this hive body. As I've said before, seeing bees on the lid is always a good sign. Bring you guys in close. We got quite a few bees in here. Now I'm just going to do a quick inspection of each of these frames. We got some eggs and young larvae. I'm going to give these guys room to grow. That queen's laying pretty good, guys. This frame has some weird comb on it. They drew it out across the top of the plastic instead of out from the plastic. I'll probably wait till they draw out a couple more of these frames and then I'll scrape this off and have them start over again. Now this is not necessary. One thing we like to do is we like to add some sugar syrup to our nukes and to our swarms and to our splits. This gets them started a lot faster, they draw out comb a lot faster, and the bees don't have to forage as much while they're building up. So I got a gallon of sugar syrup here we're going to put on this hive real quick. Now, this is just a gallon of chicken water. I'm going to break a couple sticks. Put in that chicken water. That way so if a bee gets in there, it can get out. There's a gallon of sugar syrup in that chicken water, a couple sticks that the bees can get out of the water should they fall in. I did bring a shim over just in case I needed to get some extra height out of this, but I don't think I'm going to. Now the next part is we're going to dump the rest of the bees from our box and from our lid in here. Check the lid. Dump the bees in there. Our box. Dump the bees out. Now we're just going to leave these box and lid here right in the front. Put our lid on. And I don't know how well you guys can see this, but we've reduced our entrance to about 1 3/4 inches. That'll give these bees plenty of room to go in and out, but also it won't make the opening so big that they get robbed. Let me fix this box here and make sure everything lines up. Alright, sorry folks, I got away from the bees. It was getting hot over there. The other bees are starting to get a little agitated. It's getting ready to rain, it looks like, so I needed to get this done. I did see a couple hive beetles. I'm going to put a little bit of diatomaceous earth on the bottom board. That should take care of that problem. I'll even put a few beetle blasters in there as well. But we're only going to leave that syrup in there for a couple of 3 days. They'll go through that gallon of syrup in probably about 3, maybe 4 days. They do have those 3 drawn out frames already, so that queen's going to go ahead and start laying. They're going to start backfilling it, and they're going to start drawing those other a couple of frames out. And that's going to be a nice viable hive come this fall. So I'm going to go ahead and get the diatomaceous earth on the bottom to take care of the hive beetle problem, and we should be good to go. So that's how we take one of our splits or a nuke or a swarm and transfer it into one of our hive bodies. If you guys have any questions or comments about doing that, just feel free to shoot me a message or contact us over on Nutty Gnome Homestead on Facebook. If you guys haven't already done it, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. It does help us out, helps make sure these videos keep coming to you. Till next time, get out there and check your bees. This has been a weird year weather-wise. We're not going to get near as much honey as we were anticipating, so they might need a little extra help. You guys be safe.